Here we have a 68 plate BMW 530e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £5,000 worth of optional extras, including the 20-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the M Sport Plus package, the full M Performance kit as well, the Sophisto grey metallic exterior paintwork. We have the two gloss black front kidney grills with the LED headlights, gloss black front splitter as well. Round to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel just there, once again excellent condition. Side skirts along the bottom, we have the colour coded door handles, black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae just there. We also have the third alloy wheel, again unmarked. We have the rear spoiler lip as well just there. Front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We also have the dual exit exhaust at the rear diffuser. We also have a quick release button on the remote for the boot, just like so. Now inside of here you'll find plenty of space for whatever you may need. We have the charger on the left hand side just there. Closing that back up, you'll find now that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the last alloy wheel here, again in excellent condition. Taking a step inside, so inside of the back you'll find that we have the full leather interior, foldable armrests. We also have the fixed ISO points. We have the ambient lighting just on the doors. We also have the vents for the rear passengers just there. On the doors you'll find the premium Harman Kardon sound system just there. We have the electric windows as well. Taking a look at the front, inside of here you'll find again the full leather interior. Both of these front seats are electrically adjustable and they are also both heated, as you can see just there. Again, premium Harman Kardon, electric windows and electric mirrors. We also have the auto lights just there, the auto wipers as well. If you take a seat inside, you'll find the multifunctional steering wheel, paddle shifters on either side, the cruise control and the speed limiter as well. So we put our foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us, and you'll find that will be free from any warning lights on the digital dashboard. So we also have the main infotainment screen as well. On here you'll find the likes of the sat-nav. We also have the media, which is where you find the radio. We have the FM, DAB and AM radio, the USB, Bluetooth audio, the CD and DVD as well. Phone connectivity just there. If we go onto the main menu, you find these options that we've just been through. So if you scroll across, go into My Vehicle. This is where you find the sport displays, which is a pretty cool feature to have just there. We also have the settings. So if we go onto the settings just at the top, this is where you find the interior ambient lighting. As you can see, we've got a few colours to go through. So for example, if we change it to blue, then you may be able to just about see it changes to blue. Looks much better at night time. Putting the car into reverse, you'll find the parking sensors just there, front and rear. Putting it back into park. We also have the intelligent safety, so press that button, you find the intelligent safety just there. We have the Eco Pro drive mode, the Comfort drive mode, and also the Sport drive mode. That also changes the dials on the dashboard as well, just like so. We have the climate control just down here, the ice cold air conditioning as well. Heated seats on either side, which work just like so. As you can see, further down you'll find that we have some storage space inside of here. We also have a USB port, two good sized cup holders and a 12-volt connectivity. We have the gear stick just there, all of the shortcuts for the infotainment screen, electric handbrake, the different drive modes are just there. Nice leather armrest to open that up for more storage. And inside of there you find another 12-volt connectivity just there. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.